So number 6 is up, and the company has a total cost that can be represented by that equation, and a total revenue that can be represented by that equation. We're asked to find the maximum revenue for the company, and find the maximum profit for the company, and decide which one of these we care about more. So that being said, everyone, we are asked to find the maximum revenue, so we are going to put in Wolfram maximize our revenue function. So we can say R is equal to 1600x minus x squared, and we will give that to Wolfram. You can see I'm just copying this last piece here because I don't want the R of x in Wolfram. It's going to make Wolfram unhappy. So I'll type R equals and then that. We do need to make sure that our input matches what we wanted, and it does. So we can see that our revenue is maximized when we produce and sell 800 units, and our maximum revenue is $640,000. That's quite a lot. So max revenue is $640,000 when 800 units are produced and sold. Now I'm giving away the answer for part C here, everyone, but no one cares what your maximum revenue is, because revenue without cost means nothing. We do care quite a lot about the profit, though, and so we need to remember for part B that our profit function is equal to the revenue function minus the cost function. So profit, and it's interesting I have an equal sign right there. I don't need that equal sign right there. There we go. So profit is equal to revenue minus cost. We do have a revenue of 1,600x minus x squared. We put a minus cost, and we need that parenthesis right there. So 1,600 plus 1,500x. So that will help us get a profit function, everyone. I think I've already got the revenue function in there. I do. So I'm going to keep that. Then we will subtract the cost function. So subtract and make sure you put that parentheses. Close our parenthesis and away we go. We do get the profit function of negative x squared plus 100x minus 1,600. All right. And so for part B, we are asked to maximize the profit or find the maximum profit. So I can take this in Wolfram and copy it from here. Or actually, if I click right there, it will put it in there for me. So I don't need to type anything. I put maximize in front, everyone, and we do get profit is maximized at $900 when we produce and sell 50 units. So producing and selling 50 units maximizes profit at $900. Okay, so if you're like me, you're sort of thinking, hey, I would rather have $640,000 than $900. And that's true, but let's examine again up here for revenue. It's 800 units that maximizes revenue. For part C, we're asked if we care about revenue or profit more. Let's test 800 in our profit function. So again, if we were looking to maximize revenue at $640,000, let's see what our profit would be, because that happens when we produce and sell 800 units. So we're going to go ahead, everyone, and put 800 in for our profit function and see what happens. we see that maximizing revenue results in a profit loss of $561,600. So the profit made by maximizing revenue is negative $561,600, everyone. And so again, terrible idea to maximize revenue. So maximizing revenue is a terrible idea. We only care about profit. Don't let the numbers deceive you, everyone. $640,000 would be great, but that's revenue. In order to make that $640,000, it looks like we would have to spend about $1.1 million or $1.2 million, which would put us about $561,000 in debt. Again, maximizing revenue, terrible idea. Always focus on maximizing profit.